ready for him?
That was horrible. I forgot about it. I walked past so many people. I was like, oh.
You remember when we had our boobs out right in front of the roadhouse and my, like, full shirt was off? And I was like,
That was on you.
that was just me.
Ooh, thank you.
Did you hear that?
That was
like a duck.
Oh.
Yeah, I
Was that
remember
you?
when I was telling you
Making
the
weird
girl,
sounds with
like,
my mouth.
You were such a... Yeah, no, you were such a boy.
I have a really bad
Don't rub me, that's sort of creepy.
I think it's hot. What time is it?
I don't know.
Oh, your phone out,
Have your phone out in that?
I didn't notice. It's 2:22.
Oh, that's fine. 2:22?
So we have about an hour and a half till we have to get going. I don't think the sun's coming up anytime soon.
I won't run up.
Well, and you guys have to, like, we have to link arms and stuff, because
I'm gonna run in my